Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. I have a message that I would like to send out there. And first, before I comment on this message, I want to read out a message from Dr. Benjamin Bolmel. Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, the Vice President of South Sudan, say that he is asking the people of South Sudan to believe in their country and have a hope for a better future. He says South Sudan is a rising nation that should be bold, proud, and full of promise. In his message for Independence Day, July 9, 2025, Dr. Bullmill, who also lead the economic cluster, said the South Sudanese flag flies high as a sign of the people's courage, unity, and love for their country. He said that we honor Dr. John Garang, the Mabur, President Salva Kiir Mayardit, and all the men and women who gave their life for our freedom. Because of them, we now have a land that we can call our own, he said. Dr. Bull said the road for South Sudan has not been easy, but the people have stayed strong. He added that from the river Nile to every village, people should not lose hope. Instead, he said they should let the drum of hope beat louder across the country. South Sudan became the world's newest country on July 9, 2011, after many years of war with Sudan. On that special day, thousands of people went to the street of Juba and other towns waving flag and shouting freedom. But over the years, the joy of that day has faded. Ongoing conflict and hard times have made it difficult to celebrate. In recent years, even the capital city, Juba, has seen quiet independent days. In 2012, the Minister of Information, Michael McQuilloy, said the government could not afford to organize public celebration because there was not enough money. Now, as the country marks another Independent Day, leaders like Dr. Benjamin Bolmel are calling on people to stay hopeful, remember those who sacrifice and work together for a strong and better South Sudan. Well, how can we celebrate independence while the Nuer people are still suffering? What kind of freedom is this when one part of the country is being targeted, displaced, and killed by the same government that claim to represent us all? Independence should mean justice, peace, and protection for our every citizen, not just for a few. But right now, Nuer civilians are being attacked in their villages. Their children are dying, and their voices are being silenced. This is not what we fought for. This is not what we dreamed of when we raised our flag in 2011. So no, we cannot celebrate while our people are bleeding. We cannot wave flag while our hopes are burning, and we cannot smile while our brothers and sisters are living in fear and hunger. If this government truly wants unity and peace, it must start by protecting all citizens, including the Nuer. Until then, Independence Day is not a day of celebration for us. It is a day, and a reminder that our struggle is not yet over. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on the next episode.